Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
Tea Kettles, Tea Kettles.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Aura collection of tea kettles. They're whistling kettles. The whistle is integrated right in the front here over the spout, and the whistle will go off when the water comes to the boil and it creates steam, and that's what actually makes the whistle go. And the other thing is then you just pull the trigger to serve your hot water by doing that, and the lid here comes off. That's where you put the water in before you bring it to a boil. You just pop that back on. This has a nice scoop handle. It's soft to the touch, and it's also slip-free, and it stays cool, as does the lid handle. So this is an all stainless steel brushed model. That's the one that I like, and it also comes in white. And the other thing is then you just pull the trigger to serve your hot water by doing that, and the lid here comes off. That's where you put the water in before you bring it to a boil. You just pop that back on, and it stays cool, as does the lid handle. So this is an all stainless steel brushed model. That's the one that I like, and it also comes in white. They are actually what's called enamel on steel. So they're steel construction, which makes them really efficient, but the enamel allows you to make these beautiful colors. So there you have it, the Aura collection of whistling kettles by Cuisinart.
Hello, my name is Madison, and today I'm introducing the DclobTop kettle. I have here our kettle in our packaging. It's a very nice package, a very durable packaging. We're going to open it up here. We've got our kettle. I'm going to take it out. It's going to have our top piece as well as our kettle itself. So we've got this very nice looking vintage kettle here. It has both the top piece separately from the bottom piece. So I do have our very nice kettle. It's made of stainless steel, a very strong proof stainless steel. It's very soft. And then we also have our little card, thank you card inside of here. So this kettle does have a capacity of 2.2 liters. So it does hold quite a bit of water in it. It does also have a stainless steel bottom here. So you can use it both for the electric stove as well as a fire stove. So it's good for either one. And then it does have a very good nozzle here. We've got our dust cover. So basically you can put this cover on. Nothing will get inside of your kettle or your water. And then when it starts to boil, it will flap up down and whistle. So you'll know whenever your water is boiling. Well, thank you for watching. My name is Madison.
Hey guys, so I am here in my adorable kitchen. I'm just getting ready to put my condo on the market, and this beauty arrived just in time for me to stage my home. This kettle is so cute. I personally love this gradient painting on the outside. I just think it adds some character, and then you have the little divots in it as well, just to add some more textures going on and things like that. The one thing I really like is this faux wood handle and lid and little spout here. This is actually on here because when this heats up, it doesn't get too hot and it won't burn you. So not only is it functional, it is fabulous in the look. I love the wood grain. This is fantastic because it looks pretty sitting on your oven. So you can easily get some hot tea because it's out and accessible. This will make about 10 cups, so it will not only just feed yourself or provide some hot water for yourself, but for other people as well. This is a loud whistle, and the lid right here comes off. It's a very nice big opening so that it's easy to put the water in. The other thing that I like is that to open up the little lid right here, it's so simple. You just push the little button right here, and honestly, it was just so easy. Sometimes in the past, I've struggled with my tea kettles actually functioning that button, but this one really does work and with ease. So this is not only beautiful, it's functional, and honestly, it's fabulous. So I highly recommend this cute tea kettle.
Here I have these two really nice tea kettles. The handle and lid handle are made of solid wood. This allows you to grab the tea kettle with bare hands without risking any burns. The shape and design maximizes comfort to lift and fill the tea kettle with one hand. There is a max fill line on the inside. The whistle is to let you know when the water is boiling. Do not let the flame directly burn the outer coating.
Le Creuset Enamel on Steel Whistling Tea Kettle, 1.7 quart. 1 4/5 quart whistling tea kettle made of enamel-coated steel. Make French press coffee, oatmeal, and more, in addition to tea. Durable carbon steel heats water fast. Chip resistant, non-reactive, resistant to stains, and easy to clean. Heat resistant, ergonomic handle. Stay-cool phenolic lid knob. Safe for use on all heat sources, including induction. Hand wash only. 10 by 10 by 6 inches.
We ignited this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. It would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. All-Clad quickly became the choice for demanding chefs, and ignited desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware, or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-Clad. Ignite this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. A brand forged by hand and revered for All-Clad quickly became the choice for ignited desire among passionate home cooks, one for anything less than the best. Whether it's our hand cookware or in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become symbolizing a promise to the expectations of and inspire their journey. Ignite your imagination. Ignite.
Hi, today I want to share with you my new beautiful tea kettle that I got from Amazon. It's super stylish, easy to use, easy to clean, and I love the look of it. So as you can see, it's this nice stainless steel material. The spout has a little bit of color on it here. It's almost like a rose gold, which is so beautiful. As you can see, here's the top. It's easy to take on and off, so when you're adding your water, it's so simple. Really great large capacity, which I love. I recently just got into teas, and it makes it so much more fun when you have a fun tea kettle to use. The handle is super comfortable, and it has this nice trigger here to open your spout there. So love this tea kettle. Push it down by just a click of a button here, and then the bottom's really nice, as you can see, and it's gonna heat up very well. It does come with some instructions, so for your first time use, it guides you through it, how it works. But I'm gonna add my water and just show you how great this is. Alright, so I added my water, I have it on my stove here, it's warming up. It does make a loud whistling noise that lets you know when it's all done, which is so great. So I'm gonna show you that next. Busy person, it's just so easy to be able to use it comfortably with one hand. Now I can pour this into my cup here with nice hot water, as you can see coming out. Love this product. It's so easy to use, it's stylish, and if you're looking for a great gift for somebody, this would be a super fun gift to give too. So great product, and you can find it over on Amazon.